Welcome back to the Boondock Puffins channel. You catch us just packing for what is something pretty exciting, and that is a 3-month-long trip across Europe. So here's a nice little drone shot of all the stuff that we're going to take. The video itself is pretty short because the first week was with family, so it didn't take as much footage, but lots more to come in the weeks following. So we have packed, we have laid out everything. This is what it looks like. It looks like a lot, but I think it's doable. Everything's miniaturized.
Tom's actually freaking out. He's just not saying that. I think it's okay.
It's not too bad.
It's a lot less than we used to have.
Yeah, and I think so. I think we miniaturized everything, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can just stand.
You tell me one thing we can do without, and if you say we can do without the fan, that's it. We cannot do without the fan.
Yeah, we need them fan.
This is Tom putting on the, what's it called, tank bag, and we just went into Flexi Plus, and this is one bag, and the rest of the stuff is in the top box at the moment. Tom?
We are stock up from Flexi Plus. I think if you have Eurotunnel shares, I do apologise. I think we dent their shares.
But it was
we're getting on the Eurotunnel now, so finally leaving England.
Exciting! We are going on the train! Woohoo! And we got loads of motorbikes behind us, but I'm too embarrassed to turn the camera around to show it.
On the ferry. We found a little campsite just below Calais, about 45 minutes, and it cost us a grand total of €6.48. Now that's a bargain. I'm gonna go through this stuff.
Tom, how's your morning going?
Good. Just been for a run. We're feeling hella unfit in my toes, so I've got like the world's longest second toe. I'm not going to show you, but it takes all of the brunt, and it's sore this morning. But it was a good run. It was really cool through the forests and amazing sunrise. So feeling good. Everything is so dewy. Just getting used to being like outdoors again, you know. I think you take for granted putting your feet in that fluffy carpet in the morning. Yeah, I know you. So yeah, just adjusting to life outdoors again. With that being said, I'm going to go fill up the jet boil and we're going to make some coffee. From there we went south for about 2.5 hours where we met some of my family. We stayed in a great little campsite in a town called this. I'm not going to try and pronounce it in case I offend every single French person ever. Eliza had an important job interview and she managed to schmooze her way into this fancy room in this chateau nearby. After the interview was done, we then headed south towards Omaha Beach. From Omaha Beach we went to Bayeux, famous for the Bayeux Tapestry, which is a tapestry that is some 70 meters long and depicts the scenes leading up to the Battle of Hastings in 1066. Unfortunately, we were not able to see the tapestry, but we did get to look around this awesome little city. And as a little side note, the tapestry was actually thought to be created in the 11th century, so it's almost 1,000 years old, which is pretty neat, I think. After 6 days with family, we then split ways and we left to continue our journey south. So from here and until next week, we took a lot more footage and a lot more to come.